on a live stream? And the answer is no.
That's a lie.
That's okay. Right. So I will be moving Camila to a different voice channel.
Wait, don't move me. I promise I
Okay.
will not expose
you.
your secrets.
I don't have secrets, but thank you.
Your deepest,
Wait, what?
darkest
You know
secrets.
something, Camila? What
She
did you
doesn't
guys
know
do?
shit.
Wow, wow,
What did
wow.
you guys do?
Shit.
What?
I'm curious now. We're howling right now.
He has taken the most dangerous drugs in the whole entire world. Oh, Do you guys want to know the drugs that he has consumed?
Yes.
I will tell you.
Yes.
It's copium. What a loser.
That's on brand.
What?
What?